Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys today? I'm doing good. Today we have chili cheese fries. I made them myself, so hopefully they're really good. And I have some onions here that I have to put on. I love onions. Okay, that ought to do. Also, I have the coldest water bottle, and I actually put my YouTube name on that. It's Ambi Eats. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by them, but maybe one of these days I might be. Who knows? Let's get to, guys. All right, let's mix this up. Okay. It's hot and steamy. Oh man, look at that steam. Uh-oh, I might burn myself, but let's get to. Give you the first bite. Oh, whoops. Mm. 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 That's so good. Mm. Oh, look. Mm. 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 That chili has a little bit of heat to it. Mmm, that is so good. Mmm, I was so hungry. This is all I ate today besides a salad. Mm. Another bite. Oh, look at that. Whoops. I accidentally keep dropping them. Mm. Mm. The chili's warm. I'm gonna drop my towel. Sorry. Um, the person that inspired me that was really craving chili cheese fries and to do chili cheese fries on my channel was Sean Nuskus. I hopefully I'm saying that right, but shout out to you. You are the greatest. You made him look so good. Mm. Mm. My nose is running. Huh. I have a lot of cheese and chili. So, how was your guys' day? Mine was great. Thank you guys for watching the last video. I hope you guys liked my story time. It was pretty entertaining. What happened to me. Ooh, I'm getting full already. Guys, I think I'm done here. It was a short video, but it was really good. Like I said, I gotta give a shout out to Sean Nuska. I think that's how you spell it. I mean, say it. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Really hot. Excuse me. But if you guys would like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And comment and hit that bell to be notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.